Hello, my name is Tom, and I thought I would share with you my 3 reasons why I think the Ender 3 Pro is perfect for beginners, right here on Southpaw Workshop. In response to some of my other 3D printer reviews, I have had viewers ask me which printer I think would be best for beginners. Most of the popular brands have very nice offerings when it comes to 3D printers, but I can't say that all of them are beginner friendly. Today, I will share with you 3 reasons why I think the Ender 3 Pro is a great choice as a first printer. Reason number 1, build quality. It appears that Creality, the company that makes the Ender line of 3D printers, took a hard look at the Ender 3 and decided to improve on all of its weakest features. Some of those improvements include a higher quality power supply, a wider, stiffer Y-axis rail, and a magnetic removable build surface. All of these improvements help the Ender 3 Pro be more reliable and safer than its predecessor. Reason number 2, upgradability. The beauty of the Creality 3D printers is the wide range of upgrades and accessories that are available. From glass build plates and auto bed leveling kits to direct drive conversions and complete expansion kits, the Ender 3 Pro can grow with you and be modified when you are ready to try something new. Reason number 3, ease of use. I use Cura to prepare my files for printing. When I was testing this unit, one thing that stuck out to me was how well configured the Cura profile was for the Ender 3 Pro. All I had to do was literally load my STL file into Cura, slice it, and it was ready to print without any issues. As a beginner, this helps you take your time learning all the different options and fine-tuning your profile to get the performance that's right for you. Bottom line is that there are many beginner-friendly 3D printers out there. I think that the Ender 3 Pro is one of the best values, and it will give you the best chances of success right from the start. Yes, you will have to assemble the printer, but I don't necessarily see that as a bad thing. By assembling it from the very beginning, you will be getting experience that could be helpful to you if you do decide to modify it down the road. I hope you liked my 3 reasons the Ender 3 Pro is made for beginners. For its build quality, upgradability, and ease of use, you won't find a better value out there. If you do decide to buy the Ender 3 Pro, please consider using my BANGGOOD.com link and the coupon code in the description box below. This printer is currently on sale, and if you are willing to wait the little extra time it takes to ship, you can get a really good deal on a great printer. If you like these videos, please drop me a like and consider subscribing for more content just like this. Once again, my name is Tom, this is Southpaw Workshop, and I will see you guys next time.